Hey guys, I haven't shared a video in I think like 3 months, but I did just get a stitch fix. And if you watched my last video, Oliver was 12 weeks old and much smaller. Can you see? Oliver, show him how big you are. You want a treat? Or you want to just lay there? He is 32 pounds now and he's 6 months old, and he's still as sweet as ever. I do have a stitch fix. You know, I wasn't too happy with my last one that I filmed, and then I did get one more that I didn't film. I didn't keep anything, and I had peeked ahead of time, and I knew I didn't like it, so I just didn't bother filming it or sharing it. But this time I didn't peek, and hopefully they'll do a better job. So let's see. Are you going to help me, Oliver? Okay. It's my mailer. Here's my information. Let's see what number fix this is. This is number 7. Okay, and I'll look at that in a minute. Here's my bundle. Looks pretty dark. The only instructions I left in my note was that I live in an area that is very warm, and it stays warm for a while in the fall, so I asked for short sleeves if possible, and maybe 3/4 long sleeves, so we'll see. Okay, he's chewing the envelope. Here, chew your dinosaur. You can't have that. No, can't have all that. Or that. He likes purple. Okay, let's see. These are very fall colors. I mean, I prefer summer and spring colors, but these are pretty. Oh, this is a dress. It's marked in Spruce. Oh, nope. Nope. I'm gonna have to send him out. Okay, so it's similar to a dress I got, I think, in May. It's navy, like with a paisley pattern. Okay, Oliver. Okay, Oliver is watching football now with my son, so he was too interested in the clothes. But anyway, that's a cute dress. It'd probably be cute with a cardigan in the fall and winter. So we'll try it. Now this is like a heather gray. Oh, it's a cardigan. I like that. Looks kind of small. It is a size small, but it looks like it really runs small. Might have to size up in that. What is this? Cotton Emporium. Okay, and here's a top. 3/4 length sleeves. Really a dull color. Definitely not something I would pick out for myself, like dull navy and beige. It's fun to fun. It's a cute style though. Now this one, I really like the colors. It's like a dusty pink with gold and navy. 3/4 length sleeves. That's cute. Be cute with jeans. And now polka dots. Let's see, okay, it's like a little navy. It's by Beacon. Navy polka dotted sleeveless top. Okay, well, we'll try one. Okay, this is the first top. It is the Fun to Fun Maley pleated detail top in light purple, size small. And it's $48. I do like this. It looks cute with jeans. And it's nice fall colors and not too warm for our hot weather. I like the pleated detail right here, and it's not too blousy like they are sometimes. So, I like it. Okay, this is the, I think it's the Fun to Fun Christina split neck blouse in navy, size small. It's $42. It is cuter on than I thought when I first looked at it, but it's still just a little bit dull. I do like the way it hangs, and I like the length of the sleeves. I would prefer if these would kind of stay like this, but I do like it, other than the dullness, but we'll see. Okay, this is the Market and Spruce Auria embroidered dress in navy, size small, at $74. And I'm not a big fan of this dress. I don't wear dresses that often, so I don't have many of them, and the ones that I do have, I really, really want to like them since I have so few. And this is just nothing special to me. It's kind of, again, dark and drab colors, and the style is okay, but I don't think I'll be keeping this. Okay, this is by Beacon. I haven't heard of that brand. It's the Alicia Pleat detail knit top in navy, size small, $38. It's really soft, and I like the way it fits. It'll be good for wearing under a cardigan. I'll try the same with it. Let's see. It's the Marybeith Waterfall cardigan in gray, size small, by Cotton Emporium. And I can just look at it and tell. I think if I keep it, I would probably have to size up. Oh, maybe not. The arms just looked really small. Maybe it is okay. It feels okay. Let's see. I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think. I don't like this with this. This would be cute with maybe just a light gray cardigan without the heathered look. And I have a coral cardigan that would be cute with this. But tell me what y'all think of this cardigan. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll try it on with something else. But I do really like this top. It's so comfortable, and I like the way the neckline sort of wraps over itself, like a faux wrap. And I could wear it in summer or fall. So, actually like everything in the box except for the dress. The total of the box is $240. The buy all discount is $60. So that makes, it says subtotal of $180 minus the styling fee of $20 would be $160. But I didn't think I paid a styling fee because I didn't keep anything from the last box, so they said they waived my styling fee, so that might be, I think that's an error. And since the buy all discount is $60 and the dress is $74, then it's not worth it. Well, I mean, I could keep the dress for $14 extra, but I really don't think I would wear it. But I do kind of like everything else. Even the top that I said was dull, I do like the way it fit, and it's nice fall colors. So I'll have to think about it. Y'all let me know what y'all think I should keep too. And I'll update in the comments what I decide. I was really so disappointed with my last box that I didn't even know if I was going to get another one, but they waived the fee, so decided to try it again, and I probably will get boxes from time to time. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I will let you know below what I decide, and welcome your comments to tell me what you think about what I should keep and what I should send back. Bye.